Rooster. Goat. Pig. Horse. Sheep. Meerkat. Chick. Rabbit. Chicken. Cow. Chihuahua, a miniature dog breed celebrated for its diminutive size, alert expression, and perky personality. What distinguishes Chihuahuas from other animals is their remarkable combination of daintiness and feistiness encapsulated in a compact frame. Their tiny stature, often weighing just a few pounds, underscores their status as one of the world's smallest dog breeds. However, their larger-than-life confidence, loyalty, and spirited temperament set them apart as tiny but tenacious companions, embodying the idea that courage knows no size in the animal kingdom.